The Westinghouse WPX4400 Gas Pressure Washer boasts impressive power with 4,400 pounds per square inch and 4.2 gallons per minute, making it ideal for tackling the toughest cleaning tasks. Equipped with a robust 4-cycle OHV engine and a maintenance-free triplex brass head pump, this pressure washer ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Its versatility is enhanced by 5 interchangeable nozzle tips, allowing you to clean a wide range of surfaces, including brick, stone, and wood, effortlessly. A generous 6.5-liter fuel tank and high-profile wheels make it easy to maneuver, even in difficult-to-reach areas. The 50-foot abrasion-resistant hose and lightweight spray gun offer flexibility and ease of use, while the quick-connect nozzles make switching tasks simple. Built with a tough steel frame and never-flat wheels, the WPX4400 is designed for durability and ease of transport, ensuring you can take on any cleaning challenge with confidence.